2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool Fleetwood Mac tune, Go Your Own Way. Alright, so this is the acoustic part, that great acoustic part we hear in the background. So I think the best way is standard tuning, okay, for the guitar, and put capo on 5th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've seen people do it on 2nd fret, so it's a D, but I think this sounds the best. So the chords involved is a C major, 1, 2, 3. We have a G major, 1, 2, 3. And we get an F major. Let's play this F like this. So 1, 2, starting on the B, 1, 2, and then 2 on A and 2 on D. So it's different ways we can play this. We can just strum it like a regular. Sorry. So that's the verses. If you want to play it exactly like the acoustic part is, so when you hold the C, you lift up your 2nd finger on the D string. G is regular. And then on F, you lift up, you do the same thing, but you lift up the G. Inside those chords you want to get G string, that's the D string. When you play the C, G, F, and you do it, lift up the G string. We got a new chord for the chorus. Go your own way. A minor. 1, 2, 3. And then let's grab that F again. And if you want to make it fuller this time, you can add your thumb on the low E string. And then G. just hang on the A minor to F to C to G. So much fun to play. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in, and happy Easter. So standard tuning, 5th fret, C, G, F, verses, chorus, A minor, F, C, G, and guitar solo is over the verses. Alright, thanks guys, see you tomorrow, be safe.